What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I've got something that's actually pretty cool. I don't send many trucks, I see on trucks here and there, but what we have here is another great product from BPS Lighting. It is the Tailgate Bar. So basically what we have here is you've got a running light, you've got a brake light, and you've got a sequential turn signal, so it'll do it in three, kind of like the Mustangs, their taillights. And we also have the reverse light that I'm going to be wiring to the tail light so that we have a nice white light when we're backing up. So the concept is to take this, and it's just going to get placed right under there, and it's 60 inches, so it fits perfect just underneath the tailgate there. I just have to find a nice spot to actually mount it, and it's actually super thin. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's maybe a 1/4 inch thick by 3/4 of an inch wide, so it's going to fit there. It's not going to impede on the tailgate whatsoever. And also guys, there is one thing I do want to mention. With this install, there's two ways of installing it that the package tells you how to install it. So I'm just going to show you guys over here. You have this male plug here that you can either wire to your factory trailer hitch in the back, or you can connect it from this directly in the front here. But I have a third option that isn't listed in the kit, but I'm going to let you guys know about it, and BPS, once they see this, they might even offer this with the package. I ended up getting a T-harness. So what happens with this is it plugs in behind the bumper, so that you can still utilize your factory plug for a trailer, and it just hides all the wiring behind the bumper, so that the only thing you're going to have to wire is the brake light. Not brake light, but the reverse light, so that just wires up there, but I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead with taking this tailgate off and get this thing started. Alright, it's just that easy. If you guys have never done it before, there's just these little the cables that you pop off on either side, and there's a little notch, as you guys can see right here. You put your tailgate to just the right angle, and you're able to pop one side out, and the other side just kind of slides out. So the place I was talking about is we're going to mount it right down here. Now it's full of undercoating, so I'm just going to clean this up real quick, that way that 3M tape sticks. So as you guys can now see, I've got the surface nice and prepped, just to give the 3M tape something to stick to. And that's one thing I do like about that product as well, is that there's no drilling or holes of any kind while you're doing this. So just make sure you prep this well, so that that tape has something good to stick to, and then you'll be fine. So looking at it right now, I've got it firmly pressed into place. It's there, it's not going anywhere. I've tried it out, it's really solid. I just pushed some pressure across the whole board there, and we've got a nice adhesion. So next step is to put that T connection on, and I just ran my wiring just through this little hole here, and then it will plug that in and tie wrap that all behind the bumper. So I'm going to do that next, and at least we can test out the brake light and the running light. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys taking the trailer. There's that little white tab there. There's a little push pin that you push on, and then you're able to disconnect your trailer hookup right there. And then your T harness will go right on there, and then the other male end of the harness will connect to your trailer, and that'll give you your split, so that you can wire up your wire here that you pass through that little slot up there. Just to give you guys another image of what that looks like, that's your T right there. So you got your factory connection there, and your trailer out there, and then I just fed the T through. And then I have this end here that will connect over to this end here, and I'll just tuck all that under there, up here somewhere. And there we have it. I just have the trailer hitch plugged in right now. We don't have the reverse lights wired yet. I just wanted to test out the running lights to see if they would work. So that's what it looks like. That's going to be your running light, as a small LED strip on the bottom. So now I'm going to try the brake light and the signal light to see how that works. I'm going to place the camera down so you guys can see it, and then go from there. All right, so what do you guys think of that? Love it or hate it? Put it down in the comments. BPS lighting, once again, I will link this light bar in the description if you guys want one. I think the sequential actually looks really cool with these sequential tail lights. So yeah, there we go. You guys see the brake light, or you saw the brake light. You see the signaling. That's how it's sequential, just shoots off to the ends. I'm going to do the reverse wiring now. Now I just wanted to show you guys where I wired the reverse wire, just past the reverse wire up through here. I gave myself a little bit of slack and found my power for my reverse light, which was the green on these Chevys. I wired it into here and I just taped the hell out of it because I don't want nothing getting in there. So I put more than enough tape that nothing will ever get in there. So I'm going to put the taillight back on. We're going to try everything else and hopefully it works. So final test, I'm going to place you guys down. I'm going to try the reverse lights, signal lights, brake lights, everything, just to make sure everything's fine. There you guys have it. Everything works the way it should work. I'm going to throw the tailgate back on. I'm going to give you guys some night shots, and then that'll be the end of the video. So if you guys want this light bar, again, I will post the link in the description. BPS lighting, it's about $120, but in my opinion, it's worth it. It looks great. Very easy to install, waterproof. If you're going to the boat launch, putting your boat in the water, you do not have to worry about this thing. It's extremely strong. The adhesive is strong. I tried to pull it off. I could not pull it off, so it's really good. No drilling, and like I said, if you guys get that T-harness, it's well worth the money. It's like 25 bucks. And everything works just as it should. So guys, I hope you did enjoy that. Definitely do let me know what you guys think of the light bar. If you like it, if you hate it, either way, let me know down in the comments. I really do appreciate every single comment that you guys do leave, and I do answer every single one. So go ahead and leave a question, anything you guys want to know, anything you guys may want to see in the future, and I will definitely address it. Give a like on the video because I do appreciate it. It really does help me out. Subscribe to the channel if you like what you guys see, because I post all kinds of great videos, and I do appreciate the growth that this channel has occurred over the last little while. It's growing more than I thought it would, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I just want to let you guys know. So like I said, I will leave this bar down in the description. If you like it, pick it up. If you don't like it, let me know why you don't like it. So I hope you guys have a good day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game.